number 23. Page number 387. Page 387. So example 22. Example 22. Show that a cos square a by 2 plus b cos square b by 2 plus c cos square c by 2 equal to s plus delta by r. S plus delta by r. We need to prove this is equal to s by s plus delta by r. So proof or solution. I am taking LHS a cos square a by 2 plus b cos square b by 2 plus c cos square c by 2. Simply I am taking it as sigma a cos square a by 2. It is nothing but next term after a b cos square b by 2. After that c cos square c by 2. Simply this sum we denoted with this one. So sigma a cos square 1 plus cos sin square 1 minus cos 1 plus cos a by 2. So implies, so by 2 I want to write front 1 by 2 sigma a of 1 plus cos a. So 1 by 2 sigma a into 1 a plus a cos a. So splitting 1 by 2 sigma a plus 1 by 2 sigma a cos a. Now 1 by 2 sigma a equal to a plus b plus c plus 1 by 2 sigma a equal to 2r sin a cos a. So 2 cancel. A plus b plus c equal to 2s plus sigma r right in front sigma. So actually I don't want to cancel 2 as it is r by 2 sin a cos a sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. So we done so many times this one. We can write the result directly, but I want to do. So 2 cancel. S plus r by 2 sin c plus sin d 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2c. Now s plus r by 2 of 2 common cancel 2 sin of a plus b cos of a minus b plus sin 2c 2 sin c cos c 2 sin c cos c. A plus b equal to 180 minus c. So s plus r by 2 of 2 sin of 180 minus c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now sin of 180 minus theta equal to cos theta 2 plus r by 2 s plus r by 2 2 cos not cos sin of 180 minus theta sin theta 2 sin c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. So 2 sin c common. So s plus r by 2 into 2 sin c of cos of a minus b cos c equal to plus cos of 180 minus of c equal to a plus b. So now 2 cancel. S plus r sin c into so cos of a minus b cos of 180 minus equal to minus sin of a plus b minus cos of a plus b. Cos of 180 cos will become cos. Second quadrant cos is negative. Next one s plus r sin c s plus r sin c of cos sum minus cos difference minus 2 sin a sin b minus 2 sin a sin b S plus into minus minus R sin A, sin B, sin C, including 2. So I want to write S minus 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C, denominator with R. Multiply and divide with R cancel 2R sin A, sin B, sin C. This is the formula. 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C is the formula for delta. S minus delta by R. So actually what happened, one more time I want to see. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. This is 2 sin of A plus B, sin of cos of A minus B. So sin of A 180 minus C equal to sin C. This is also sin C. 2 sin C common. Okay, 2 sin C common. I am writing this one. So actually this is minus. Cos difference minus cos sum is 2 plus 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 plus. So S plus delta by R is equal to RHS. This is the required solution. Okay, next question. 23rd. Example 23rd. In triangle ABC, if A cos A equal to B cos B, A cos A equal to B cos B, prove that the triangle is either isosceles or right angle. In triangle ABC, A cos A equal to B cos B, prove that the triangle is either isosceles or right angle. Solution: A cos A equal to B cos B. A cos A equal to B cos B. So A equal to 2R sin A, ladder cos A, 2R sin B cos B. So both sides are cancelled. 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A equal to sin 2B. So sin 2A equal to sin 2B. So sin 2A equal to sin 2B. One more way, sin 2A equal to sin of 180 minus 2B. So we can write like this. So sin of 180 minus 2B equal to also sin 2B. So 2A equal to 2B. 2A equal to 180 minus 2B. So A equal to B. 2A plus 2B equal to 180. 2 of A plus B equal to 90. So 2 cancel, A plus B equal to 90. So if A plus B 90, C equal to 180 minus A plus B. 180 minus 90 equal to 90. So here two angles are equal or one angle 90 degrees. Two angles are equal, then it is isosceles. Either one angle is 90 degrees, then it is right angle. So therefore triangle ABC is either isosceles triangle or right angle triangle. So either it is right isosceles triangle or it is right angle triangle. So this is the solution. Okay, next 24th. Example 24th. In example 24th, if cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equal to cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7, then show that A is to B is to C equal to 6 is to 5 is to 4. 6 is to 5 is to 4. Okay, now so cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. Solution. Now first given cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot c by 2 equal to 3:5:7. Cot a by 2 formula s of s minus a by delta is s of s minus b by delta is s of s minus b by delta equal to 3:5:7. All sides s cancel, delta cancel. Overall s minus a is to s minus b is to s minus c equal to 3:5:7. So s minus a by b equal to s minus b by 5 equal to s minus c by 7. Let us consider this is equal to 3. So s minus a equal to 3k, s minus a equal to 3k, cross multiply, s minus b equal to 5k, s minus c equal to 7k. Adding all this, s, 3s minus of a plus b plus c equal to 3k plus 5k plus 7k. A plus b plus c, 2s. 3s minus 2s equal to 15k. Implies s equal to 15k. S equal to 15k. A equal to s minus bk. 15k minus bk equal to 12k. B equal to 15k s minus 5k. 15k minus 5k equal to 10k. C equal to s minus 7k. 15k minus 7k equal to 8k. So A is to B is to C equal to 12k is to 10k is to 8k. All k's cancel. 12 is to 10 is to 8. Cancel with 2. 6, 5, 4. 6 is to 5 is to 4. This is the required result. We proved this. Okay, next. So next one, 25th question. Prove that a cube cos of b minus c, a cube cos of b minus c plus b cube cos of c minus a, b cube cos c minus a, next plus c cube cos of a minus b, c cube cos of a minus b, c cube cos a minus b equal to 3abc, VABC. Okay, now coming to the solution, LHS I am taking. So this much I don't want to take this much bigger. Simply I am taking sigma a cube cos of b minus c, sigma a square into a cos of b minus c. Now implies sigma a square a 2r sin a into cos of b minus c, 2r sin a into cos of b minus c. So a sigma 2r I am writing front side, sigma a square cos of sin a equal to 180 minus of b plus c into cos of b minus c, 180 minus of b plus c, sin 180 minus, so 180 sin will become sin, so sin will become sin. Next one, this is theta, second quadrant it is positive, sin of 180 minus of b plus c, so which is equal to sin theta, sin of b plus c. Okay, next 2r sigma a square sin of b plus c into cos of b minus c, sin of b plus c into cos of b minus c. Okay, next one, I am taking 2 inside r sigma a square 2 sin b plus c cos b minus c. So transformation, multiplication to addition. 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B is, so 2 sin A cos B is sin sum plus sin difference. So R sigma A square 2 sin B plus C plus B minus C plus sin B plus C minus B plus C. So here C getting cancelled, B getting cancelled. So R sigma A square sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2B plus sin 2C. So sin 2B plus sin 2C we got. So what is sin 2B? Sin 2B equal to 2R sin B cos B. 2R sin B cos B. Sin 2C 2R sin C cos C. So R into sigma A square 2R sin B cos B 2R sin C cos C. 2R sin B cos B 2R sin C cos C. Okay, next. So 2R common, sin B cos B plus sin C cos C. So we won't get any result. Next, I am taking this one R into sigma A square. So what we need to prove? Actually, we need to prove it is equal to 3A BC. Okay, next 2R sin B which is equal to B. 2R sin B which is equal to B. 2R sin C which is equal to sin 2B. 2 sin B cos B. Actually this is 2 sin C cos C. So R keeping inside sigma A square 2R sin B cos B plus 2R sin C cos C. Actually sin 2B formula 2 sin A cos A. So apply that. 2 sin B 2R sin B 2R sin C. 2R sin B equal to small b sigma A square B cos B plus this is C cos C. So A square cos B, A square of B cos B plus C cos C. So what I am doing is sigma A square B cos B plus A square C cos C. So sigma A square B cos B plus A square B cos C. Now I want to split this sigma A square B cos B plus A square C cos C plus after A square B square C cos B square C cos C plus B square C cos C B square ladder B square A cos C plus ladder after that C square A cos A plus C square B cos B. C square B cos B. Okay, now so we need to take the combination. So A square B cos B. So I want to take the combination A square B AB square. So in this, so AB I am taking common. If we are taking AB, A cos B, here B cos C plus BC combination, BC combination, B cos C plus C cos B plus AC combination, C A cos C plus C cos C. Now this is equal to C, this is equal to A projection rule, this is equal to B. AB into C plus BC into A plus AC into B. ABC plus ABC plus ABC overall 3ABC. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required proof. Next question. So 26th example 26th, if P1, P2, P3, if P1, P2, P3 are altitudes of the triangle ABC, then show that 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square equal to cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. Okay. First solution. So 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square. P1, P2, P3 are altitudes. I am taking a triangle A, B, C. So this is the altitude P1. So area of the triangle area equal to half into base into height. 1 by 2. What is base? Small a. P1. Delta equal to 1 by 2 into a into P1. P1 equal to 2 delta by a. Similarly, P2 equal to 2 delta by B. P3 equal to 2 delta by C. 1 by P1 square plus 1 by P2 square plus 1 by P3 square. So this one reciprocal. A square by 4 delta square. B square by 4 delta square. C square by 4 delta square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta square. So this is LHS. Now I want to prove RHS. Cot A plus cot B plus cot C by delta. So in equal to cos A by sin A 1 by delta of cos A by sin A plus cos B by sin B plus cos C by sin C. So 1 by delta of cos A B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So sin A by 2R plus cos B A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC B by 2R plus cos C A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB C by 2R. 2 cancel, 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So R will comes to a numerator. So R by AB, R by delta. R by delta. So here cot A B square plus C square minus A square by ABC. Here ABC, here also ABC. So the denominator ABC. Numerator B square plus C square minus A square. A square plus C square minus B square. A square plus B square minus C square. So now, so multiply and divide with delta. So with 4R by 4 delta ABC. So A square cancel, B square cancel, C square cancel. Numerator A square plus B square plus C square equal to ABC by 4R, which is delta. Actually it is denominator. So 1 by delta A square plus B square plus C square by 4 delta into delta, 4 delta square. So this is also delta. So LHS equal to RHS. So hence it is proved. Next, in exercise question number 5th. Start with 5th question. Start with 5th question. If A square plus B square by A square minus B square equal to sin C by sin of A minus B. sin of a minus b. Then prove that triangle ABC is either isosceles or right angle. So either it is isosceles or it is right angle. So we need to prove. So if this condition is satisfied, we need to prove either it should be isosceles triangle or it is right angle triangle. Solution: a square plus b square by a square minus b square equals sin c by sin of a minus b. Sin c by sin of a minus b. Cross multiplication: a square plus b square sin of a minus b equal to sin c into a square minus b square. A equal to what? 2r sin a. B equal to 2r sin b. Substitute 2r sin a whole square plus 2r sin b whole square into sin of a minus b, which is equal to, so sin, I want to write this c as 180 minus of a plus b into, so a square minus b square, so 2r square 4r square sin square a minus 4r square sin square b. So 2r whole square 4r square common, 4r square common, 4r square sin square a plus sin square b into sin of a minus b equal to, this is equal to sin of a plus b, 4r square into 4r square sin square a minus sin square b. 4r square both sides cancel. So now I am bringing these two terms to left side. So these two terms bringing left side. This what happened? Sin square a plus sin square b of sin of a minus b minus sin of a plus b into sin square a minus sin square b equal to 0. So sin square a plus sin square b of sin of a minus b as it is. So minus sin of a minus a plus b, later sin square a minus sin square b, formula sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b equal to 0. Now, so what is common? Sin of a minus b common, sin of a minus b common. If we are taking sin of a minus b common, sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square of a plus b equal to 0. So sin of a minus b of sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square 180 minus c equal to 0. So sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta. So sin of a minus b sin square a minus plus sin square b minus sin square c equal to 0. So the product is 0, either this one equal to 0 or this one equal to 0. So sin of a minus b equal to 0. Sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c equal to 0. So sin is 0 over 0. A minus b equal to 0. A equal to b. Sin square a plus sin square b equal to sin square c. Sin square a equal to a by 2r, a square by 4r square plus b square by 4r square equal to c square by 4r square. LCM 4r square cancel. A square plus b square equal to c square. A square plus b square equal to c square. Okay, now, so this is ABC are the three sides. This is right angle triangle. So Pythagoras triplet, Pythagoras theorem is satisfying. So it It is right angle triangle. So therefore, triangle ABC is either isosceles or right angle triangle. Right angle. So this is the required solution. Okay, same kind of question, similar question is question number 11. So 11th question is third bit 11th. If angle C equal to 90 degrees, then prove that a square plus b square by a square minus b square equal to into sin of a minus b equal to 1. So angle C equal to 90 degrees, we need to prove this one. So if angle C equal to 90 degrees, a plus b plus e equal to 90. One of the angle is 90. Some of the remaining angles are also equal to 90. So actually this one and this one are same. C equal to 90, it is equal to 1 cross multiplication. If we cross multiply C equal to 90, sin C value, sin 90 value 1. But I want to prove this one. A plus b equal to 90. In different method I want to prove. So angle C 90. So it is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse C square equal to a square plus b square. C square equal to a square plus b square. Okay, now LHS a square plus b square by a square minus b square into sin of a minus b. So a square plus b square equal to c square. So this is a square 2r square sin square a minus 2r square sin square 2r square sin square b into sin of a minus b. So this 2r 4r square actually. A equal to r sin a, 4r square sin square a square plus b square equal to c square by this is 2r sin a whole square minus 2r sin b whole square sin of a minus b. C 4r square sin square c simply c equal to 4r square, c equal to 2r sin c square, 4r square sin square c, 2r whole square, 4r square common, sin square a minus sin square b into sin of a minus b. 4r square cancel, sin square c equal to what? 90 by sin square a minus sin square b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b getting cancelled. So sin square 90 1 by sin of a plus b sin 90. Sin 90 value 1 by 1 1. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required solution.